Welcome to Chinese Lessons Part 2. This is Leo. Today, we're going to take a few minutes to learn some basic Chinese words and components. Please watch this video through to the end, because once you have learned it, you will never forget. And if it's the first time you watch my video, please subscribe my channel so you won't miss any future lessons. To most of the beginners, the biggest difficulty to learn Chinese is in all aspects, like the pronunciation, the characters, the homophones, the polysemy. And over the last few years, while I was traveling from country to country, when the conversation with people from all different nationalities came to the topic of the languages, the questions that have been brought up often were like, Leo, how do you remember those Chinese characters? It looks like some random wriggling strokes piecing up together, and how does it make sense? Leo, how do you tell the difference between the homophones? Even the music pitch is easier to tell than that. Leo, won't you get confused by the polysemy? Doesn't make it too complicated to get the exact point? Well, I believe these are the problems that all Chinese students are facing. But there are some patterns and routes that we can follow to break down this language and look it in a different way. So let's start it for now. Number 1, 打电话. 打电话 means to call, to make a phone call. Let's take a look at the first character, 打. Firstly, 打 has two parts. The left part is called the hand side. As you can see in this picture, it's evolved from the image of a hand and then gradually converted into the modern character. The right part of this word is 钉. 钉 is the shape of a nail, and this is where does it come from. So when we use the hand to hammer the nail, this action is called hitting. That gives 打 the meaning of to hit. So even the pronunciation 打打打 sounds like hitting. And as you might notice that all the words with the hand side related to something using with the hand, like 扎、扔、杠、抬. We'll talk about these extension words later. And now let's move to the second word, 点. First, we need to divide it into two parts. There's the and the stroke. From this picture, we can see that the comes from the sound. So it literally means the sound, plus another meaning, day, like 1 day or 2 days. Now let's take a look at the right part, the stroke. This stroke looks like a thunder, but a bit shape changing. As we all know that when a thunder crosses the sky, it generates strong electricity. So 电 means electricity. The last word, 画. 画 has two parts. As we can see, the left side is like a reverse musical note. And the musical note is the language of the music. So the left part is what we call the language side. The right part, 舌. 舌 is a hieroglyphic word coming from the shape of the tongue, as you can see in the picture. When the language comes out from our tongue, that makes the language become words. So 画 is word. In Chinese, sometimes we just piece up different words to make the new words. So the words transferred by electricity is 电话. 电话 is how we used to understand the telephone. And the verb to hit is how we used to make the phone call. So 打电话 is to call. Okay, now let's take a look at the extension words from the hand side. The first one is 扎. 扎 has two parts. The left part is the hand side that we already know. The right part looks like a hook. So hang with a hook to prick something. That makes the first meaning of 扎 to prick. And it also has the second meaning. So from the picture we can see that the hook also looks like a ponytail. We need to use our hands to tie up the ponytail. So 扎 means to tie up. Okay, the next character is 扔. 扔 also has two parts. The hand side with something looks like the tree branch. From the picture we can see that this hand is about to throw away this tree branch. So 扔 means to throw, like throw away the garbage. Let's go to the next one, 扛. 扛 is composed by the hand side and 工. 工 means the work, the job, and it looks like a steel beam, something related to the construction work, etc. Using the hand to carry the steel beam, that makes 扛 to have the meaning of carry, to carry something heavy and to take up, usually to take up some big responsibility. The next character is 抬. It looks like a tall brick house. Let's say that the hand comes and lifts the house. That gives 抬 the meaning of to lift up, to raise. Right part of 抬 is also called 台. That is the major word of television. Okay, so far we learned 10 words and all its components today. Let's recap it again. Number 1, 打. The hand side plus the nail is to hit. Number 2, 电. The sound plus the thunder to become electricity. Number 3, 话. The language side plus the tongue to become word. And we also learned the word tongue. That is called 舌. Next one, 扎. The hand side plus the hook is to prick. Another meaning, hand side plus the ponytail is to tie up. Next one, 扔. The hand side plus the tree branch is to throw. Next one, 扛. The hand side plus the heavy steel beam is to carry, to take up. And we know that 工 is the work, the job. Next one, 抬. The hand side plus the tall brick house is to lift, to raise. The right part of 抬 is also called 台. That is the major word for television. Hope that you already found a new way to see Chinese language from inside. If you like my lesson and the way that I teach, please subscribe my channel and give me a thumbs up. I'm Leo. See you next time.